Assalamu alaikum students. Let's begin with another lecture. The contents of today's lecture are not really part of your syllabus, but I'm gonna still teach you about them because I feel like you need to know them for you to be able to understand the upcoming lectures better. Today you will learn about singular and plural nouns. So you can categorize them into two groups, regular nouns and irregular nouns. First, I will be teaching you about regular nouns and then we will move on to irregular nouns. Okay, so what are these nouns? Okay, so most singular nouns form the plural by adding s. ज़्यादातर जो nouns होते हैं हम उनकी plural form कैसे बनाते हैं? By adding s at the end. हम end में s add कर देते हैं तो plural form बन जाती है और इन्हें हम कहते हैं regular nouns. They fall into the category of regular nouns. यानी कि by simply adding s at the end you can create its plural form. यानी जब हम s add कर देंगे end में आप उस singular noun की plural form बना सकते हैं. नीचे अब examples देखते हैं. Boat. Its plural form is boats. And how did we create this plural form? By adding s. This s at the end. House. How do we create its plural form? By adding s at the end. Houses. Cat. Cat is singular form. How do we create its plural form? By simply adding s at the end. Cats. Here we have its plural form. Lastly, we have river. How do we create its plural form? By adding s at the end. Rivers, it becomes rivers. So boat becomes boats. House becomes houses. Cat becomes cats. River becomes rivers. Now there are some nouns that end in s, x, z, ch, sh. So what do we do with them? We make their plural forms by adding es at the end. We will use es at the end to create their plural forms. So just keep in mind वो singular noun जो कि end करते हैं in words में s, x, c, ch, sh. अगर उन words के end में इनमें से कोई भी letters हैं तो हम उनकी plural form कैसे बनाएंगे? es add करके, end में es add करके. अभी नीचे examples देखते हैं. We have bus. How do we create its plural form? By adding es. तो ये क्या बन गया? Buses. और हमने es end में क्यों add किया है? Because the word bus ends in s. Like इसके end पे है letter s. It ends with the letter s. तो इसलिए जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि जो singular noun s में end होगा, जिसका last letter s होगा, उसके end में हम es लगाएंगे उसकी plural form create करने के लिए. Let's take a look at next example. We have the word wish. अब ये wish word किन letters में end हो रहा है? S and H. इसके last two letters हैं S and H और जैसा कि हमने ऊपर देखा था कि जो words S और H में end होंगे उनके end में es लगाया जाएगा उनकी plural form बनाने के लिए. तो यहाँ पे wish को इस word को हमने जब plural form में बनाना हो तो हम es लगाएंगे. अब ये क्या बन गया? Wishes. We added es at the end and now it has become wishes. We've created its plural form by adding es at the end. Next word that we have is pitch. Now the last two letters of this word are ch. Pitch, ch. So now how we are going to create its plural form? By adding es at the end. When we add es at the end, We have its plural form, pitches. Lastly, we have box. This word ends with the letter X at the end. So how we're going to create its plural form? By again adding es at the end. Boxes. Boxes. By adding es at the end, we have created its plural form. Okay, on to the next one. A singular noun ending in a consonant and then y makes the plural by dropping the y and adding ies. What does that mean? It means कि वो singular noun, ठीक है, जिनके end में एक तो y आता हो, यहाँ पे देखते हैं, जिनके end पे एक तो y आता हो और दूसरा consonant, ये n देख रहे हैं आप, यहाँ पे consonant है, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? Pennies. When we add ies at the end, we can create plural form. ये क्या बन गया? Pennies. अब हमारे पास है word spy. Spy. Here p is the consonant, right? And then it ends with y. फिर इसके end में क्या आ रहा है? y. इस word के end में क्या आ रहा है? y. तो अब हम इसकी plural form कैसे create करेंगे? By adding ies at the end. तो ये क्या बन गया? Spies. We created spies singular form by adding ies at the end. Now it has become spies. Next word we have is baby. Now B here is consonant and this word is ending with the letter Y. So to create its plural form, we will add ies at the end. It becomes babies. Okay, on to the next word. We have the word city. So here we see T is consonant and this word ends with the letter Y. So to create its plural form, we will have to add ies at the end. So it becomes cities. City becomes cities by adding ies at the end. Then we have daisy. Again, S is consonant and Y, we have Y here. So we will drop the Y and add ies after S. So it becomes daisies. Daisies. Okay, so I hope you understand how to create their plural form. You have to first identify where the consonant is, like here N is the consonant, P is the consonant, B, T, S. These are consonant and these words are ending with the letter Y. So you have to drop the Y. You have to remove it. आपको ये y खत्म करना होगा and then y की जगह आप क्या रिप्लेस कर देंगे? ies. ये क्या बन जाएगी? इनकी plural form. तो आई होप आपको समझ आ गया होगा कि कैसे बनाएंगे. सबसे पहले आपने दिया कॉन्सोनेंट, फिर वो वर्ड y में एंड हो रहा हो, y लास्ट लेटर हो उस वर्ड का, और उसके बाद आप y को रिमूव करके उससे रिप्लेस कर देंगे ies के साथ. Okay, next up we have irregular nouns. Now we will take a look at irregular nouns. अब पहले हमने जैसे कि डिस्कस किया रेगुलर नाउन्स में हमारे पास 3 डिफरेंट वेज थे जिनके जरिए हम प्लूरल फॉर्म्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं नाउन्स की. बट अब वो नाउन्स जिन पे ये रूल्स अप्लाई नहीं होते, जिन पे रूल्स अप्लाई नहीं होते, अब ये वो नाउन्स हैं इरेगुलर नाउन्स. दे फॉल इनटू द कैटेगरी ऑफ इरेगुलर नाउन्स. अब इनकी प्लूरल फॉर्म कैसे बनती है? इसमें कोई आपको रूल नहीं मिलेगा. जैसे पहले हमारे पास 3 रूल्स प्रोवाइड किए हुए थे हमें, अब कोई रूल नहीं है. ठीक है, अब देखते हैं वो कौन से हैं इरेगुलर नाउन्स. वी हैव द वर्ड वुमेन. हाउ डू वी क्रिएट इट्स प्लूरल फॉर्म? कोई रूल नहीं है, we don't have a guideline. इसकी plural form है women, man, men, child, children, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, person, people. ठीक है? These are all irregular noun plurals. We have leaf, leaves. Its plural form is leaves. Mouse, mice. Knife, knives. Wife, wives. Life, lives. Elf, elves. As you can see, we are not given any rule as to how to create these plural forms. We have potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes, cactus, cacti, analysis, analysis. अब कुछ नाउन होते हैं जो सिंगुलर भी सेम वर्ड होता है, प्लूरल भी सेम वर्ड होता है. अब हम उनकी एग्जांपल देखते हैं. Some nouns have the same form in singular and the plural. Let's take a look at them. We have sheep. Singular form sheep है. इसकी plural form भी again sheep है. There is no change. It's sheep. Fish, fish. Deer, deer. Species, species. Aircraft, aircraft. So all these words are the same. Both forms are same. There is no change in them. Sheep, fish, deer, species, aircraft, all of them are same. So this was the lecture. I hope you were able to get it. Again, as I mentioned before, this is not part of your syllabus, but I do feel like you need to know these before we move on to the other topics. If there are any issues, of course, we will discuss them in the classroom. And you don't have to worry about all these. It's just, I just gave you this lecture for you to be able to identify singular and plural forms better, because you would need to know that for the future topics that we will cover. Anyways, bye.